So in this video, we will learn how to create the VLANs and how to assign the interfaces to the VLANs. Okay. So to do this, go to the IOS of the switch. Now we will create the VLANs in the switch. Okay. So type here enable command to go to the privilege mode. Type show VLAN brief to see the whether the VLANs are available or not. You can see here only default VLAN is available and all the interfaces are connected to default VLAN only. Okay. Now we will create the VLANs. So go to global configuration mode by typing configure terminal. Now create the VLAN 10, and give the name to VLAN HR. Similarly create the VLAN 20 also and give the name to VLAN 20 as accounts. Type in here, go to privilege mode to see VLANs are created or not. Type the command show VLAN brief. You can see here VLAN 10 is created and name is HR. Similarly VLAN 20 and the name is accounts. Okay. Interfaces we have to add. All these interfaces are already in the default VLAN only. Okay. So we have to add the interfaces to these VLANs 10 and 20. Okay. So now check what are the interfaces are connected to PC and switch. Type here command show interface status. You can see here F0 by 1 and F0 by 2, 0 by 3 interfaces are connected. Okay. Now add this interface F0 by 1, F0 by 2, VLAN 10. Okay. Go to global configuration mode. Type configure terminal. Type here interface F0 by 1 and make this interface as access mode by typing switch port mode access. Now type switch port access VLAN 10. Okay, so this interface will be part of VLAN 10. Similarly, go to interface F0 by 2 and make this interface also as access mode by typing switch port mode access and add this interface to VLAN 10 by typing switch port access VLAN 10. Press enter. Now this F0 by 1 interface and the F0 by 2 interface will be part of VLAN 10. Okay. Now we have to add the other interface to VLAN 20. Okay. So let's check what is the interface connecting to third PC to switch. Here we can see F0 by 3 interface. Type here interface F0 by 3. Press enter. Now make this interface as access mode. Now type switch port access VLAN 20. Okay. So this interface F0 by 3 will be part of VLAN 20. Okay. Type exit here. So let's check now the interfaces are added to the VLANs or not by typing show VLAN brief. You can see here VLAN 10 and 20 and the interfaces F0 by 1 and F0 by 2 is added to VLAN 10 and F0 by 3 is added to VLAN 20. Okay. So this is how we can create the VLANs and assign the interfaces to the VLANs. So I hope this video is very helpful in creating the VLANs and assigning the interfaces to the VLANs. So friends, if you find this video helpful, request you to please like, share and subscribe to my channel.